Take some deep breaths. Allow yourself to be here. Thank you for being here for yourself. Thank you for being here with me. Making time out of your day today, out of your journey, out of your infinite potential and experiences that you can be experiencing. I'm honored and grateful to be a part of your experience today. Just allowing ourselves to be natural. The reason why it's so healthy and good for us to be out in nature is because it allows us to be back to being natural. And to be in nature is to be natural. And we always hear about why it's so healthy. Just get out to nature, get that fresh air, get that life force in you. And now we see why also, is because it allows us to be more natural. It puts us into our natural place of seeing and being, and the trees, the fresh air, everything just becomes more apparent in our attention. We're actually focused on it versus out here, in the mind world. You're not focused on the life force. You're not focused on being present, because our attention is like a parking stall. And in a parking stall, you can only park one car. You can't park two cars. Well, our attention is the same, as far as only one thing could be present there, and it can be your true self, or it could be the mind. So that's important. Observe that, because as soon as you become present, the mind can't be there. It cannot make home. It cannot stay. It has no authority over your attention. It has no presence. It can still be there in the background, but you're not affected by it no more. You're not attached to it and identified in its little world and its little kind of cage and walls that it's built. You're more present. Life's still gonna happen. Things are gonna still change, but you are in the unchanging way of experiencing life. You're experiencing the change out here, but the one that is experiencing the changes is not changing. That's always present. That's your true self, your source, your infinite presence. And you can just take breaths. You can just be here as you are here, as you're taking breaths right now. Your attention, sometimes we have to grab our attention and focus it in on these things, versus it's so natural for the gravitation to go towards the mind, because it's like it's been conditioned like that. So it's like a rubber band that's been pulling in that direction. But now you're like bringing the attention and the force more to you, bringing it more centered to you, so that way you're not so moved and shaky in the mind. And then that's when, confusion comes, pains come because of the confusion of not being able to make things sense. But it's like people start to see life from this small mind, and they get caught up in the solutions, trying to find the solutions that are good for the mind, but that doesn't really help out. And to stay present, to just stay your conscious awareness, your true seeing right now, your higher intellect, your true self. You don't even get involved in that drama. That experience won't even happen, because you're aligned to experience other more things that are more natural and more suited for your experience, that actually cater to your vibrancy, and that are there to enrich your life. You align to those things because those things are within you. You carry those things. You allow for those things to express. You allow for those things to manifest. You allow for those things to just come through because you are aligned to it in your pure awareness, versus being in the mind world, living the mind game, and being in the mind drama. And it's like a soap opera or a TV series. When the true life is over here, the true life is, it's like you're not in the TV series mind, you're in the true natural. Thank you guys. Thank you for being here for yourself again, for showing up to awaken to your true self, to sincerely and earnestly want to connect with your heart and live from your heart, express from your heart. Just truly let your pure awareness and true being be. Thank you guys. Thank you. Namaste. Amitabha. Blessings. All is love. Peace be with you always.